What's up, guys? It's Playman209, and I'm actually playing Animal Jam again. I lost my membership and got hacked from a lot of stuff. I don't know why I have bubble chat with the... I have... okay, 2 cards from HQ. Well, I lost my membership and got my black long, purple long, and orange long hacked. I don't have a lot of stuff anymore, so that's pretty much why I don't play. And my, like, barely any of my friends play now. Except for, they're awesome. I need to go say hi to them, actually. Okay. Yeah, I hate chat like this now. I need to, like, here, I'm just gonna text them, actually. I barely play Animal Jam anymore. I like none of this. I'm a vintage player, boy. So no. Oh my god. I really haven't gone for that one. I'm gonna buy this because I want to. No, I can't. I'm not a member anymore. I need my membership back. No. No. Charlene, help me. I need you to be on. Where's Charlene? Oh yeah, here's Charlene. There you go. There she is. Oh my gosh, she lost her membership too. I need to get on Skype with her right now. Oh my gosh, I want to see my den. Oh, dang, I still have Christmas stuff up. Yeah. Why do I have Christmas stuff up? I'd just like to know that. Oh my gosh, kill me. All the member stuff is so good. The non-members have... but why? It'll make me a little bit sad. Why can't I buy anything? This game is bullying me. No. Oh, I hate being a non-member. Charlene. I need to Skype her. Alright, I'm gonna get on call with her, BRB. Hi, well, she didn't answer. Oh, yeah, she's sleeping right now. Because she is in the UK. Oh my god, they got the Spring Festival. What is my life now? I want to get a freaking spike from this. I'm missing my spikes. Hi, Minty. I'm a potato. I'm a potato, too. Alright. Well, I guess this video is gonna be me doing this. Because I'm gonna try. I want to be an eagle. You know what? I can't do this not right now. I need my membership back. What do I? Okay, I got a card from HQ. I'm gonna. Oh, why do they? Well, of course they made a novel. Of course. Let me see what else. Like, none of my really good friends are on that I used to play with. I want to live stream, actually. I don't know. Oh my god. Yay! I need to say hi to them. I need to say hi. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to say, like, hey. I need to say, hey, I am back. Hey, y'all. Okay, they'll come talk to me if they really want. Yu-Gi-Oh, bro. Ooh. I haven't talked to them in a while. Oh my god, Cupcake. I need to say hi to Cupcake. Cupcake. Are you here, bro? Notice me, Senpai. Notice me. Dang it. Yo. I'm gonna say hi today. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Help me. Why am I using bubble chat? No! Kill me. Is she just gonna like kick me? I don't know. I need help. What can I use to communicate? I'm gonna go now. This makes me sad. I feel very awkward. April Fool's party. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. I need to look swag right now. I need to be swag. I want to be swag. Oh my god. I'm gonna be the next to party. Yes. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna escalate to anything in life. No, I'm just joking. Maybe I will. Probably not. Ooh, this be different, I think. This be different. Oh my god, no, it's maze. No, kill me, kill me. I just want to go to the store. I want to go to the shop. Where's Cool Cat? Where Cool Cat be at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, I think. 1, 2, 3, 7. Oh yeah, this dude. More than 30 days. Alright then. He quit AJ, I think. Okay, just like all my friends quit AJ. Oh my god. I need this beautiful merch. Where my merch at, bro? Yeah. Oh yeah. I gotta stock up on this. I'm gonna get this. Why can't I? Oh, well, of course, I'm a bubble chat. I need to, like, do this real quick. Let's see. What the? We're gonna go to home and parents, bro. Oh, okay. This is my dad's email. Alright then. I'm gonna put something in front of that. Alright. Let's see this. Chat. Safe chat. No. Attention though. Skirt. Oh, skirt. I need to get my, I want my membership so bad. I want my membership back. Let me check my YouTube though. I need to see that though. Where my homies at, bro? Oh, that's my other one. That's another one. That's my brothers. Okay, I need to sign out. Alright then. Sign in. Why is it all my brothers? This is my account. No, this is cringe. Where is it? I'm gonna pause this real quick, okay? Okay, I'm back. Let's see. I got 2 phones with my mom and Pokemon. Okay, come here. I don't know why I know this song. Let's see. Alright. AJ Live, I'm back. What is my life? Nope. Let's pause that. I got 3 likes. OMG Flarian, I fucking missed you. OMG I cried. Oh, thank you. At school and Clint Animal Jam. Yes, that is Tristan. Go subscribe to him. He'd be awesome. Make try hard, yes. Walk to Moons AJ. Oh my gosh. I need to go subscribe to you. I wanna message him and be like, you wanna do a collab? AJ why? Yes. Oh no, my god, no, Moons, no. No! Why'd you have to quit, bro? It's not good. I'm very bored right now. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Bunny's only party. I want to be a bunny. Well, guess what? I don't even have my Arctic wolf. It makes me a little bit sad. I miss my llama. I miss my llama. Oh yeah, I have a bunny. I'm cringe. I want to delete that bunny. Bye bye, bunny. Yes. I'll add an animal. This makes me a little bit sad that I can't have freaking alpaca. I want alpaca, bro. Oh my god. Should I get a pig? Oh, of course I get a red panda. Oh my god, a horse is back. Le horse. You know, I'm not gonna do this for a while. I'm gonna go to the diamond store. I'm very annoying right now. Oh, okay. I missed this. I missed it. Oh my gosh, poor Arctic Fox, what the? That'd be cool, bro. That'd be cool. What else? What can I get in here? Probably nothing. Yep, nothing. Oh, and of course I can't have my goat. I'm not the goat anymore. Greatest of all time. Spring party hat. No. Oh my god. Yes. Bye. What? No! Oh my god. Well, clearly I can't buy anything for some reason. I don't know why I even have bubble chat. This makes me a little bit sad. Of course I can't have an egg. I'm just ooh. Well, AJ has mannequins now. Alright. Yes, all these for members? Yep, all those are for members. Does anyone even love me in life? No. That's what I thought. What's in here, bro? What's in here? I like remember going here. Oh my god. Panic. I'm not. Oh, okay, I already see this. I'm gonna leave now. AJ be glitching out. Why did I X out of YouTube? I want to check something. I don't know if I should live stream or not. I don't know. I've lost a few subscribers and that RIP me. I'm obsessed with Hamilton now. I'm basic. Made that cringe thing. I need to like freaking make like better editing crap. Customize channel. Let me customize my channel, bro. Alright, okay, everything hates me now. Fine. What the? I want to subscribe to myself. What? Yeah, I'll cancel that real quick. I'm very bored. Here's my channel when I was actually a cool kid. I was a cool kid, man. Wolf Lover, help me. I don't know you, but help me. Well, if you guys think that I should get my membership back and start playing AJ again, then make sure to either like or comment. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to end this, and make sure to like and subscribe, and bye!